In this video, we are going to discuss about the Ramsar Convention. Ramsar Convention is totally related to the wetland area and it is comes under the wildlife conservation. Before we going to Ramsar Convention, first we will know about the wetland areas. Wetland areas are of varieties of there. The definition of wetland area is that the connection between aquatic and terrestrial surface is called as wetland area. There is a water area is covered with the soil which is called as wetland, and there are varieties are of present across the world. Some of them are sea wetland areas, river wetland areas, lake wetland areas, pond wetland areas, many are there. And coming to the Ramsar Convention, Ramsar his name come from the Iran country, where exactly the first convention is held in the year of 1971. The Ramsar is a place, it is a wetland area which is comes in the Iran country at the Caspian Sea. There is a wetland area of Ramsar is present. From that it is named as the Ramsar Convention, and it is the location of Ramsar, and we will discuss about this convention. This, as earlier I said, that this convention is related to the wetland area and it is signed in the year of 1971, and it is comes near the Ramsar in the Iran, and it is intergovernmental treaty that provides the framework for the national action and international cooperation for the conservation of wetland and their resources. Every country has to, they should protect their wetland areas, and that is the work for every country. From that this convention is named as Ramsar, and it is cooperate with the conservation of wetland areas across the world. And totally there are 138 contracting parties involved in this convention, and there are 1328 wetland areas present across the world, and covering area is about 111.9 million hectares. There are 111.9 million hectares which is covered by the 1328 wetland areas which are comes under the this Ramsar Convention. And earlier in India there are 25 Ramsar sites are included, but presently in the year of 2020 there are 37 Ramsar sites which are present in our country. In the year of 2020 January 28, India announced that 10 more Ramsar sites are added in our country. Before 2020 there are 27 Ramsar sites are present, but after that there are 37 Ramsar sites are included. And coming to the wetland day, February 2 every year celebrated as the wetland day. It is the remark, or it is the remembering the date of signing of Convention of Wetland in 1971 at the February 2nd, which is in the Iranian country at the location of Caspian Sea near the Ramsar. In the picture we can see there are many Ramsar sites which are located in our India. Those are see in our map. And coming to the involvement in this convention of our country, in February 1982 India joined this convention. So far, followings are the some of the Ramsar sites of our country. Chilka Lake is first added in this convention in the year of 1981, which is located in the Orissa state. Keoladio National Park, it is added in the year of 1981, which is located in the Rajasthan. Loktak Lake is added in this convention in the year of 1990, which is located in the Manipur. Ular Lake is one of the largest Asian freshwater lake, which is added in the year of 1990, which is present in the Jammu and Kashmir. Sambar Lake, which is present in the Rajasthan, which is added in the year of 1990 as the Ramsar site. Harika Lake is added in the year of 1990 as the Ramsar site in the year of 1990, which is located in the Punjab. Kanji Lake, which is present in the Punjab, which is added in the year of 2002. Kolleru Lake, which is added in the 2002 as the Ramsar site, which is located in the Andhra Pradesh. Astamudi wetland, which is present in the Kerala, which is added in the 2002 as the Ramsar site. Bhitarikanika mangrove, which is added in the 2002, which is present in the Orissa, and it is added as the Ramsar site of India. Nal Sarovar in the year of 2012, it is added as the Ramsar site of India. Currently, India has 37 Ramsar sites. Most Ramsar sites present in the United Kingdom state. Their numbers are 175. There is a 175 Ramsar sites present in the United Kingdom. It is one of the most Ramsar sites present across the world. Second most Ramsar sites present in the Mexico. They are 142. Largest Ramsar site is located in the Brazil country, that is Rio Negro, which is the river come from the Amazon river, and it is largest Ramsar site present across the world. It is totally about the Ramsar site, and for more knowledge subscribe to Acquire Knowledge. Thank you.